Hi guys, in this video I'm going to make a bold claim, and that claim is the following, that the guarantee that I offer in my surplus funds program is the best guarantee that exists on the market when it comes to surplus funds and overage education programs. That's a pretty bold claim, but I stand by it. I'll stick with it. What is the guarantee? Now, before I get into that, if you don't know who I am, my name's Nick Fullmer. I've been doing surplus funds and overage recovery since 2015. It's what allowed me to leave my job as a former corrections officer. And to date, I've recovered millions of overages in over 30 different states across the country and taught hundreds of students how to successfully start their own surplus funds business working from home, regardless of whatever previous experience you have. That's who I am. Now, let's dive into what is the guarantee that I have with my program. Okay. The guarantee is this. It is that you will double your investment into the program. And if you don't, I'll send you a check for the difference. Okay. How does that work? Well, there's two ways that it works. Number one is you do a deal on your own. Okay. And on your first deal, if you don't make at least double what you paid for the program, I'll send you a check for the difference. Okay. So an example of that might be if you paid $2,000 for the program and on your first deal you only made 3,000 bucks, then I send you a check for $1,000 so that we can say that you doubled your investment. Okay. You paid two into it, you get four back. Make sense? That's the guarantee. Of course, you got to do a deal, right? You got to do the work. Okay. There's no guarantee if you just sit on your butt and don't do anything. Okay. Now, the second way that this works is if you partner with me on a deal. Okay. I offer partnering at no additional expense in my program. And the way that works is if you partner with me, then whatever you paid into the program, we make sure to double that, and that's what you get from the deal. So, for example, same numbers. You paid $2,000 for the program. We do a deal together. The first $4,000 goes to you. That first $4,000 in profit, that goes to you, again, so that we can say that you doubled your money, you doubled your investment. And then if there's still some money left over, we split it 50-50. Okay. That's how that second one works is if we partner. So it works two ways. You either do a deal on your own or you do a deal with me. Okay. And either way, we make sure that you double your investment into the program. Okay. Now, if you get it on sale or whatever, let's say you pay less than 2000, I still honor that. Okay. Doesn't have to be full price or whatever. How can I make such a crazy guarantee? Okay. Well, the bottom line is this, guys. After teaching hundreds of people how to do this business and gotten many, many results, this is it's super doable. Okay. And that's why I can make this guarantee is because folks have gotten such good results from the program that they oftentimes more than double their investment. Okay. Now, I cannot promise you that you're going to make any money. Okay. I'm not promising that because you have to do the work. Okay. It does require you to put in effort and work to make this business work. But what I would encourage you to do before you do anything, before you join anything, like go through some of the testimonials and the reviews here on the YouTube channel. If you're not watching this on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel. It's Overage Syndicate. You'll find it. Okay. Watch the testimonial videos there. Watch the case studies. Go to the course page. Okay. And just look and see the results that people have gotten. Okay. And based on the results that I've gotten, helped people get, that's why I can make such a crazy guarantee. Okay. Is because I've actually helped people get results. Now, again, I need to be very clear. All of these folks that got results, they did the work. They put in the work. I'm not taking credit for what they accomplished. I played a small role in simply guiding them and teaching them the steps, but they still did the work. These people did the work, okay? If you're looking for something that you do zero work and you get paid for not doing a damn thing, then this is not for you, okay? It's not for you. But if you're not afraid of work, if you're not afraid of learning and implementing something new, okay, then this might be a good fit for you. If you're not sure what it's all about, then just go to overagesyndicate.com and learn more about it there. But that's the guarantee that I offer in my program. I think it's a better guarantee than any other course or program offers in the surplus funds industry. Of course, I'm biased, but that's it. I don't know anyone else offering that kind of guarantee, and I don't know anyone else creating these kinds of results for people. So, but do your due diligence, do your research. If you have questions, hit me up, and hope that answers that question as far as what guarantees do I offer. That's the guarantee I offer.